Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Whoop 4.0. First, ensure your device is fully charged, which typically takes about 90 minutes. Next, download the Whoop application to your smartphone and create your personal account. Then, pair your Whoop 4.0 with your phone using Bluetooth. For the most accurate data, wear the device snugly on your non-dominant wrist or bicep, ensuring the sensor maintains consistent skin contact throughout the day and night. Once set up, your Whoop 4.0 begins collecting vital data. You'll see your daily strain score, a measure of your cardiovascular load from exercise and daily stress. Your recovery score, presented as a percentage, indicates how ready your body is for the day's challenges. The sleep performance metric details your sleep stages and efficiency. Regularly reviewing these metrics helps you understand your body's responses to your lifestyle and activities. To truly maximize your Whoop 4.0, leverage its intelligent features. The sleep coach will recommend optimal bedtimes and wake-up times based on your recovery goals. Adjust your training intensity and daily schedule according to your recovery score to prevent overtraining. Consistently logging activities and behaviors in the journal provides personalized insights, helping you identify patterns and make informed decisions for better health and performance. Beyond the core metrics, your Whoop 4.0 offers advanced features. Explore the Whoop locker for various accessories, allowing you to wear the sensor in different locations like your bicep or even your waist. The device is water-resistant up to 10 meters, making it suitable for swimming and showering. Remember to keep your Whoop clean for optimal sensor performance. Engage with the Whoop community for shared experiences and support on your wellness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.